My dear students, in Social Science, Economics, Chapter 2, Rural Development. In this chapter, what is rural development? What are the problems of rural areas? How to improve the rural areas? Rural development and Panchayat Raj institutions, rural development and women. These are the important points discussed in this chapter. My dear students, in this chapter, see meaning and significance of rural development and decentralization, rural development and Panchayat Raj institutions, rural development and women. First, we know that India is a country of villages. More than 6.5 lakh villages in India. According to 2011 census, 68.84% population lived in villages. Mahatma Gandhi ji said that development of its villages is the true development of India. My dear students, even though after the 74 years of independence, rural areas are scenes of deprivation and backwardness as nearly one third of rural population lives in abject poverty, means below poverty line. To overcome these problems, the Government of India taken so many programs and plans have failed to improve socio-economic conditions of rural areas. What are the conditions in rural areas? Conditions, already I said, it is poverty, unemployment, agriculture is seasonal, because most of the agriculture in rural areas depends on rainfall. Rainfall is certain, uncertain. The development program and plans have failed to improve socio-economic conditions of rural areas. My dear students, the rural industries means cottage industries, small scale industries completely destroyed because of most of the modern industries emerged in India, globalization, liberalization, so many these are the important aspects emerged in India. That's why rural industries like cottage industries and small scale industries completely destroyed or ruined. Agriculture being non-remunerative and employment, it is not bring more income to the people. Agriculture is a seasonal job to the rural or farmers. Rural areas are farmers. That's why job opportunities are very less. Only few months available jobs. The rest of months are completely jobs are not available. The rural people continue to migrate to cities because of such jobs to increase their income levels and also even to survival of their life. Most of the people in different cities migration started and also they leave their villages and go and settle down in most of the cities. The main reasons for this liberalization, globalization policies. So these are the main aspects are completely destroyed and also migration and the other regions effects. Industrialization and also even complete large scale industries are established in cities and towns. Even urbanization means cities and towns growth also. Even service sectors like banking, trade, even transport, communication. These important aspects are uh, year after year in India growing. Poverty has increased among the rural people because agriculture is main occupation and it is not benefit to rural people or farmers. Even though 60% people they are involved in primary sector like agriculture, but its contribution or national income is very less year after year after the decades. So earlier, after the independence, most of India's national income depends on agriculture or primary sector. So today, complete national income from primary sector means agriculture and other areas completely decreasing. So this is the gap between cities and towns or urban and villages or rural areas is widening. What is meaning of rural development? Rural development refers to a process of economic and social upliftment of rural areas. Means economic means employment opportunities, their income levels, etc. Social upliftment means so with the help of jobs, their income levels, even their status in society also increases. This is the meaning, very meaningful. What is meaning? Rural development means rural development refers to a process of economic and social upliftment of rural areas. My dear students, it is we may define this is development of rural areas to improve the quality of life of rural people. It is very essential to government. The rural development is an integrated process which includes social, economic, political, spiritual development of the poorer sections of the rural or village society. Rural development is essential. Why? This question is come to in our mind. Why very important rural development? Because most of already I said more than 6,50,000 villages in India. So population also even more than 60% population lived in villages or rural areas. These people, their income levels, even they improve their development progress. These people, it is very very important because most of in rural areas agriculture is main occupation. It is very backward. Even today also most of our farmers are following primitive methods or very ancient or old type of cultivation. That's why this cultivation, old type of cultivation, not bring more much income to the farmers and etc. And also even farmers are in India, most of farmers in India, even illiterates, the lack of skills, and also they have no good health and sanitation. So this is very important. What literacy, skills, capacity, health, sanitation. These are the important aspects. Very important to improve the even farmers and also they involved in agriculture. And also even lack of transport system, power, communication, markets not available, credit facilities are not available to our farmers. So that's why these are the main problems. And further, agriculture development expansion means irrigation, means water resources very important in rural areas. Agriculture depends on mainly in India rainfall. Rainfall is certain uncertain. That's why irrigation very important. Artificial supply of water like canal, tank, and also even uh, rivers. This rivers water is very essential. The rural development consists of a broad set of activities including improvement of literacy, already I said, health infrastructure, land reforms, irrigation, etc. And also, apart from these, even specific measures for ameliorating the conditions of the disadvantaged people in the rural areas also main reason and backward in rural areas. Why or what are the measures for rural development? One is development of human resources means so give education, especially literacy give to women, education very and also skill program skill development among the farmers very important. Next, their health conditions very important involved in agriculture, sanitation also very important. So these are the very important progress of the rural development. Next, land reforms. So land reforms means so most of farmers the deprived of even documents, land, proper land documents, patta, what are the pani, etc. Even there are many farmers are even they are work under the rich farmers. They are working for very less wages, and also even so many other land reforms required. So these are the essential measures. Next one is development of productive resources. Each locality is very important. So based on what are the important resources available, based on that process of process of industry is very essential, and also bring more benefit or income to the rural people, and also create more jobs to your rural farmers and etc. Infrastructure development is very important in rural areas, like electricity required, irrigation required, credit even support very important, transport facilities including even transport, whatever the different transport required, even feeder roads, okay, even village roads to connecting taluk roads and cities and towns. So these facilities for agriculture, and as even today agriculture research, so old type of agriculture to avoid, and a new implementation of agriculture very important. Time to time information to our farmers in agriculture very essential. Specific programs elevation of poverty in India are, there are so many programs are implemented to overcome poverty or economic inequality, unemployment, etc. Especially PMGSY. So means that is NABARD. These are the important. Since rural development, many agricultural and non-agricultural development, so these are very essential in rural areas. So many increase farm incomes create greater demand, greater demand for industrial products, services, even generating additional employment, and also even increases expansion of these sectors also. Increase education and also skill levels of education, even agriculture productivity achievement is possible. So good health facilities for our farmers very essential. So with the help of good health, and also even agro processing, small scale cottage industries develop, leading to a gradual transformation of the villages very important. So through these important steps, so you may avoid the even migration to cities and reduce the even unemployment, poverty, etc. Next is decentralization. What is decentralization, and what are the benefits of decentralization, and Panchayat Raj system and the futures of this Panchayat Raj system? These are we will discuss next class. Thank you.